and makes this lesson very easy. Click the subscribe button below and watch this lecture for better understanding redox reaction and non-redox reaction. Consider the following chemical reaction. Sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride. The question here is it a redox reaction or non-redox reaction? If it is a redox reaction, which substance is reduced and which substance is oxidized? And again, which substance is a reducing agent and which substance is oxidizing agent? I'll answer these four questions. To do so, let us assign oxidation number for each atom that is present in this chemical equation. So oxidation number of sodium is 0 because it's three element or a combined element. So oxidation number of chlorine is 0 again because it's a diatomic molecule. So oxidation number of sodium and sodium chloride is +1 and the oxidation number of chlorine and sodium chloride is -1. Therefore, sodium is in the reactant side. The oxidation number of sodium is 0 and the oxidation number of chlorine is 0. But when it comes to the product side, the oxidation number of sodium is +1. So oxidation number of chlorine is -1. Therefore, sodium is oxidized because its oxidation number changed from 0 to +1. Means that sodium is a reducing agent. Sodium undergoes oxidation reaction. But when we come to the product side, chlorine is reduced because it gained one electron and its oxidation number is changed from 0 to -1. Therefore, chlorine is a reducing agent and chlorine undergoes reduction reaction. Therefore, this chemical reaction is a redox reaction. Now, let us consider the second example. 2 mole of hydrogen ion react with 1 mole of oxygen ion to form water molecule. The question is that this chemical reaction is redox reaction or non-redox reaction. If it is a redox reaction, which substance is reduced and which substance is oxidized, and which substance is oxidizing agent and which substance is reducing agent? To answer such question, let us assign oxidation number for each atom that's found in this chemical reaction. So oxidation number of hydrogen is +1 and the oxidation number of O2 minus is -2. The oxidation number of hydrogen in product side is +1 and that of oxygen is -1. Therefore, in the reactant side, hydrogen ion has +1 oxidation number, but oxygen -2 has -2 oxidation number. But in the product side, again hydrogen has +1 oxidation number and oxygen is -2 oxidation number. Therefore, there is no change in oxidation number. Means that no transfer of electrons and no oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Means that no reduced and oxidized substance. Therefore, this chemical reaction is non-redox reaction. Now come to the third examples. Litho sulfide react with hydrogen peroxide to form litho sulfate plus water. Now the question is that is this chemical reaction is redox reaction or non-redox reaction? If it is a redox reaction, which substance is undergoes oxidation reaction and which substance undergoes reduction reaction, and which substance is a reducing agent? Means that which substance lose electrons and which substance gain electrons from this chemical reaction. To answer such question, let us assign oxidation number for each atom in this chemical reaction. So oxidation number of lead is +2, the oxidation number of sulfur is -2, so oxidation number of hydrogen in hydrogen peroxide is +1, and that of oxygen is -1. So oxidation number of lead in lead sulfate +2, so oxidation number of sulfur is +6, so oxidation number of oxygen is -2, so oxidation number of hydrogen in water is +1, and that of oxygen is -2. Now in the reactant side, lead has +2 oxidation number, sulfur has -2 oxidation number, hydrogen has +1 oxidation number, but oxygen has -1 oxidation number. In the product side, Lead has plus 2 oxidation number, sulfur has plus 6 oxidation number, and hydrogen has plus 1 oxidation number, and oxygen has minus 2 oxidation number. Look, sulfur is the oxidation number of sulfur is changed from minus 2 to plus 6. That means sulfur lose electrons, and oxygen oxidation number changed from minus 1 to minus 2 means that oxygen gain electron. Therefore, lead sulfide is oxidized. Lead sulfide is a reducing agent, and lead sulfide undergoes oxidation reaction. But hydrogen peroxide is reduced, means that it is oxidizing agent and it undergoes reduction reaction. Therefore, this chemical reaction is redox reaction. Now the final example. Silver nitrate react with sodium chloride to form sodium nitrate plus silver chloride. The question here is that is this chemical reaction is a redox reaction or non-redox reaction? And which compound undergoes oxidation reaction and which substance undergoes reduction reaction? And which compound is a reducing agent and which compound is oxidizing agent? I will answer these all questions. To do so, let us assign oxidation number of each atoms in this chemical equation. The oxidation number of silver is +1. The oxidation number of nitrogen is +5. The oxidation number of oxygen is -2. The oxidation number of sodium is +1. The oxidation number of chlorine is -1. The oxidation number of sodium is +1. That of nitrogen +5. That of oxygen -2. And silver +1, chlorine -1. When we count on the product side, the oxidation number of silver is +1, nitrogen +5, oxygen -2, sodium +1, chlorine -1. Look carefully. There's no change in oxidation number. And there is no transfer electrons. And no reducing agent and oxidizing agent. No reduced substance, no oxidized substance in this chemical reaction. Therefore, this chemical equation is not a redox reaction. Now, redox reaction. One is a type of chemical reaction. It involves transfer of electron. Third, it involves oxidation number change, non-redox reaction. First, it's a type of chemical reaction. Second, no transfer of electrons. Third, no change in oxidation number. And fourth, involves only exchange of ions. Example, acid-base reaction and double displacement reaction. Thank you.